Hello everyone, here's Mel Janka with Journal 3, the channel where you restore your body, rebuild your mind, and renew your spirit. Today we have day number 4 of your 21-day challenge. Today we have biceps, and I have special music for you. That's why I put my jean shorts, because we're going to do, let me see if I can hear it soon, country music. Yes, so we're going to do some line dancing. Fun line dancing for your warm-up, okay? Now, if you know line dancing, go ahead and do your own thing as long as you warm up. Look at this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yes, we go. Heel, toe, 1, 2, 3. Heel, toe, 1, 2, 3. Again. Yeah, it's a double tap. Good. Again. Good. Good job. Hold it here. We're gonna use the biceps. Yeah. Time to go. Nice and easy. Just warming up. Yeah. All right, here we go. Grapevine in 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hey. Easy. Yeah. We're not doing crazy stuff in here just yet, okay? Okay, beginning. Okay, we go heel, heel, toe, bump will change. Good. Tap, tap, tap. Heel, toe, bump will change. Now, if you make it a little bit farther, you're able to work a little bit more. Yes? Okay, let's go side to side. Use those arms. Yes. Too young. Good. We're gonna go out, in, out, in, out, in. Four more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Grapevine and tap, 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 tap. Yes. You can clap up. Good. 4 more. 3 more. Actually, 2 more. Yes. Good. Now look at this. Out, in, out, in. 1 more. Change it to the other side. Out, in, out, in, out, in. Change, change, change. Yes. Good. Good job. All right. Let's go. I ain't ready for no kingdom come. Way too crazy and way Beautiful. Too young. Bicep work. Ready? I know there ain't no guarantee. Let's go. I ain't ready for no kingdom come. Way too crazy and way too young. Good. Okay, here we go. No guarantees. When I see it's my time to go. Come on, have fun, have fun. I'm kicking the bucket way down the road. Ready? Grapevine, go. Ta, ta, ta. Hey, good job. So that was your warm-up. You should be ready for the muscle portion. So for this one, you need 2 sets of plates. If you're starting like recently, you can do just your body weight. It's only 1 song and it's a short one, but I know you love it because it's a hit. So get ready for it. Pick up your plates. You can grab 2 dumbbells, something that helps you create some resistance for those arms. Now you see it? Okay. Here, soften your knees. I know we want to dance it, right? Tailbone under, chest up. Here we go. And go up, 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 and down, 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 down again.
Told me not to worry, son, one day you'll be someone.
Awesome. 2 more.
Here I am at 21.
So we're gonna turn the wrist towards the shoulders. That's what we call a curl. Yeah? Now let's go. Hold it right here. 3 and 1. Let's go. In 3, 2, 1. Just a little bit faster up. And quick down. Good. Nice. Love it. Get ready? We're gonna continue with that. I cannot help but dance. Good. Okay, hold it here, roll your shoulders, single. Here we go. Up, down, up, down. If this is too fast for you, you can alternate. Yep. Good. Keep it coming. You're gonna feel that muscle isolate. Like keeping the shoulder right in alignment with the elbow, yeah? Good. Here we go. One more. Pulses in the center. Yes. Stay there, stay there. We want to load that muscle. Come on. Okay, one more. Take it down. 3 and 1. 3 and 1. Going back to the beginning. Remember, we soften the knees and brace the abdominals. Yeah? 4 more.
Yeah, we sit on the river and we fish all day, and we drive across the country, let the radio play. 7 damn years, I never thought she'd leave.
Hold it here. Here we go. Get ready? 2 and 2.
Now I'm 23 and there ain't nobody who can drink like me.
Control the plate, don't let it go back. Good job. Keep it moving. Oh, I'm feeling it. How about you? All right, go. If you want heavier plates, go ahead and grab it. I'm gonna go for it. Slow. I know. Alternate your singles. Woo! 4, 3, 2, and 1. Super slow up. Hold it right here. Hold it right here. Super slow. Super slow. Super slow. Stay with us. We're gonna do it again. Slow up. Ooh. I know. Hold. Super slow. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 7, 6, 5, 4, and hold. Drop it. Yes. I know you feel it. I know it's good. So we're going to go straight to the last song. For bicep stretch, we have different options. But let's go to the floor. You can stretch them simply by stretching arms out, thumbs up. And then you can twist your thumbs down. Yeah, and feel a stretch. If you want more, okay, take them back. Feel it? If you want even more, you can clasp the hands behind your back and try pushing your knuckles down and lifting chest. But because this is a stretching song and relaxation song, I'm going to show you how to stretch a bicep. You open wide, place the hands, and then you're gonna gently pull towards the back. Can you feel it? Hold in there, inhale, exhale. One more, inhale, exhale. Ready? Change it to the other side. Show you my right profile. Here we go. Good. Hold it right there. Take a breather. Exhale softly. Yeah. Good job. The other way that we can stretch the biceps is by getting into a downward dog. This is also for the whole body, specifically the back of the body. So push strongly through the hands. Get right into a plank. Drop and then stretch forward. Good. Right here. Inhale and exhale. Change. It feels so good. Upper back stretch. Yeah. Jump. Gonna do some 90-90 here. Left. Yeah. A C shape. In the key of my song, yeah, we both sing along. Other side. Change it. 90-90 here. Inhale, reach. Exhale, C shape. Yeah, it's all about relaxing. And right back. Yeah. That was it. We did it. We did it. Thank you so much for being here. Remember, this is the place where you test 3 different formats to see which one you like and which one you will be able to attend in a gym class or a health club studio. So if you have any questions, shoot them in the comment and let me know how can I help. Love you. See you in the next one.